Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. We are going to be setting purpose, communicating our own message through writing.
Materials!
For our lesson today, you will only need your thinking cap. Here we go. We have 2 learning targets today. The first is, I can read with expression, rhythm, and rhyme. And next, I can work with the teacher, that's me, to write a message.
Transition song!
Sit down and come together, together, together. Sit down and come together, together right now. It's time to read our poem and think about what we've learned. Sit down and come together, together right now.
Question and answer.
Let's read our poem all together. Open a book, unlock a door. I want an adventure, new lands to explore. So I open a book to unlock a door. Today I'm a knight, tomorrow a frog. Sleep in a castle, hide in a log. A mystery to solve, turn the page to learn more. I open a book to unlock a door. As we think about this poem, I have a question for you. How is opening a book like unlocking a door? Each time we unlock a new door and go through it, it's like going to a new place. And each time we open a new book and start to read the words and look at the pictures, it's like going into a whole new world. I have another question for you. In this poem, what could the author be? Or where could she go in a book? She could live in a castle, or she could become a frog, or hide in a log. This year, we are going to explore so many things through reading, and you are going to learn many new skills as you grow as a writer.
Transition song!
Now let's all be writers, be writers, be writers. Now let's all be writers and write for our families to read.
Writing!
We need to let our families know what you will be learning about in first grade. Can you help me write a sentence that we can share? Great! Let's get started. Let's write the sentence. We will be learning how to read and write words and explore books. Say that with me. I'll say part of the sentence and then you can repeat it. And we'll try to lock that sentence in our minds before we start writing. We will be learning how to read and write words and explore books. Here we go. I got our sentence started with the words, we will be. What do I need to put down to start the word learning? What sound do you hear? An ul sound. And what letter makes the ul sound? That's right, an L. Please help me skywrite the letter L. The lowercase l starts at the top line because it's a tall letter, and you pull straight down to the bottom line. The next letters in the word learning are E-A-R-N. Now I have the word learn. What do I add to the end to make it say learning? An I-N-G. We will be learning. I added a few more words to our sentence. Now we have, we will be learning how to... What word comes next? That's right, read. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word read? An er. So we need to put a letter, a letter R. Help me skywrite a lowercase letter r. You start at the middle line, pull down, up, over, and curve. That's how we get the word read started. And the next letters are E-A. Finally, what sound do you hear at the end of the word read? A D sound. And what letter do we write to show the D sound? That's right, a lowercase d. I added a few more words to our sentence. So now we have, we will be learning how to read and write words. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word words? Yes, a W sound. And what letter makes that sound? A W. Help me skywrite a lowercase w. Start at that middle line, slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. The next letters are O-R-D. And what sound do you hear at the end of the word words? A S sound that's made by the letter S. We will be learning how to read and write words and explore what? Yes, explore books. What sound comes at the beginning of the word books? A B sound that's made by the letter B. To do a lowercase b, you start at the skyline, pull down, up, over, around. Now we have the O-O-K to make the word book. And what sound do you hear at the end of the word books? A S sound. That's made by what letter? That's right, the letter S. At the end of the sentence, I put a period to show that I am finished. Let's read the whole sentence together. We will be learning how to read and write words and explore books. Fantastic work, learners. Thank you so much for helping me write this sentence.
Closing reflection.
Wow, you worked so hard today. What were some things you did as you were figuring out how to write words? That's right. You remembered that you have to make sure you think about all the lines we can make as you are writing words. You worked so hard today, and I'm so proud of you. I'll see you next time.